Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To bug. Anna and Sarah are at work. They're trying to finish a project. Sarah, do you think we'll be able to finish this project on time? I hope so, but we really need to focus and not get distracted. Yeah, you're right. Oh, here comes Tom again. What does he want now? I'm not sure, but he's been bugging us all day. I wish he would stop. I agree. We should tell him that we need to concentrate and ask him to give us some space. Fat chance. You know how he is. Quiz time! What does to bug mean? To annoy or bother? To spy on someone? To help someone? To ignore? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's A. To annoy or bother. Verb details. We often bug our friends, bug our coworkers, bug our classmates, bug our family members. We can use the prepositions about or for with the verb to bug. Who usually bugs you? What do they bug you about? Share it in the comments below. Examples. My little brother always bugs me when I'm trying to do my homework. She bugged her boss for a promotion until he finally agreed. My friend keeps bugging me about some new series, but I'm just not interested. The neighbor's dog barks all night, and it's really bugging me. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Get distracted. To lose focus or attention. I wish he would. I hope he will. Give us some space. Allow someone some privacy. Fat chance. There's not a strong chance. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.